Hey y'all, here's a completed project for Pensacola Yacht Club. We went in there and removed the old concrete seawall, removed a lot of the old riprap that was buried on the waterfront there, and had a lot of the wood wall we had to remove also. We installed 210 foot of everlast vinyl seawall, got that all put in place, tied it back about 18 foot back to some big, large pilings. Some of them were 8, 10 foot long, big diameters and drag plates on them. Don't check this out and let me know what you think. Leave it in the comment box and give me a subscribe if you like it. It helps me on my YouTube. I appreciate that. Thanks, guys. Getting all the tieback system installed now. I went ahead and went 16 foot back to get behind that old seawall. Forming up for the concrete apron in addition to the boat ramp. Some 10 foot pilings, 10-inch pilings driven down in there with rebar in it. Concrete will wrap around that with the rebar on top of it. Start the concrete pour. Got 3,000 psi. I put a little additive in it to set it up a little quicker, so we're not out here late like we were last time pouring concrete. I want to try to watch it so people don't get down here and write their names in it. He does it himself, Todd. Maybe the flute, I don't know about the float. Me and Kenneth pouring 5 yards of concrete, finishing. All right, Bart, how do you wind that hose up? That's one way of doing it. There you go. We're going to concrete this now. You have a little bit more parking area all the way up right behind the boats, make it easy to load and unload these boats. Be able to drive the vehicle right down here up against the dock, get everything loaded up. There's the concrete extension. Got a concrete crew coming in, tear up the rest of the concrete up here and get a whole new parking area. There you go, guys. After 9 days of construction, we've constructed 210 foot of seawall. Concrete extension on the boat ramp. We've removed a concrete wall that was in there too. The panels were 4 foot wide by, I think most of them were 12 foot long. And we ran it all the way down to here, backfilled that with about 15 loads of dirt and installing new TimberTech decking on top. Guys, the contractor got the concrete pour today, got lines chalked on her now, got some expansion joints in it to prevent cracking. To try to isolate the cracking on the expansion joints. Turn out looking real good. welcome home committee when I get home. I wonder why they're welcoming me. Hey, Chief. There you go. And there's Scout. Hey, y'all. Thanks for continuously checking out my videos. And if you're new to checking it out, I appreciate it. If you would, give me a subscribe and give me a thumbs up and share. If you got any comments, leave them right here on the page. I can get back to you a lot easier here than going through the emails. While I'm sitting on the tractor, I try to answer some of the questions. But if you'd like to see more of our projects, you can go to the Facebook page /Dales Marine. We've got 7 crews total that are doing this job. So I'm only videoing what we're doing. Thanks a lot.